Sis, I'm telling you, if you don't have this product in your closet when it's time to do your hair, you're missing out. I'm telling you, this is the secret. This is the secret ingredient to natural hair growth, to grow your hair out thick and full and healthy.
Hey guys, so it's me again. I'm back with another video. As you can see, it's been quite some time since I've been on the camera, probably over a year. But I'm back and I want to talk to you all about my natural hair care journey. So before we get into the video, do y'all notice anything different about me? Yes, I cut my hair. I know it's so short, but sometimes in life you gotta let some things go, let some people go, cut some things off, and these ends had to go, okay? Them split ends had to go bye-bye. So today we're going to talk about my natural hair care regimen and how I plan on growing my length back. And guys, please forgive me if I keep touching my hair. I just can't believe it's all going. Like, where did it go? I just can't. But I know I'm going to get it back. Hair grows, natural hair grows. If you take care of it and treat it properly, it will grow back. So that way next time I'll never have to cut my hair this short ever again, because this is what happens when you fall off. You know, you have to stay consistent with your natural hair. And I just had to let them split ends go. They couldn't stay with me. They had to depart, okay? They had to go bye-bye. We had to part ways. Before we get started, please subscribe if you didn't already. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so that you'll be able to receive notifications when I upload another video, because I will be uploading a lot so that I can keep you guys posted on my journey and how I grow my hair back to the length that I wanted. So my hair was probably like right, nope, it was like right here. And yeah, so I did a big chop. This is a lot of hair that's been going. One side grew longer than the other. The middle was kind of thin, and I just had to finally just let it go. Health over length is so important. So I care more about the health of my hair than the length of it, because I know it'll grow back. And what's the point of having length, but you got split ends and you got damaged hair? So why not just cut it off and start fresh? So I'll show you guys what it looks like. So yes, it is pretty short, but that is okay because we are about to grow it back. And I have one main product that's going to help my hair grow back. It is the Holy Grail, the secret product. It is the secret of all secrets. If you don't have it, you need to get it. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I know that I have not mentioned it to you all because I've been on Instagram and I haven't been on YouTube. I know, I'm sorry, but I want to let you all know that I started my own natural hair care business. I know, right? So I have my own natural hair care product line. I should have at least 15 products soon, not yet, but I have one that I want to show you all, and it's the very first one that I came out. It was the bestseller, still is a bestseller. Sold out immediately with less than 24 hours of it being out to everyone. So here it is, and it is also going to be the product that I'll use to grow my hair back. And I believe in my product so much that I cut my hair and I'm showing it to you all. You're all going to see me on my natural hair care journey, so you will witness how great of a product this is. So as you can see, this is where my length is right now, and it is currently March 15th. So by July it should be longer than this, and even by September, if I make sure that I take care of it properly. You know, you have to take care of your hair, but I will keep you all posted and updated throughout the journey, so I won't just go missing again, I promise. And I'm going to do another video on how I started my business, where it all came from, where the natural hair care journey and the passion all came from. So stay tuned for that as well. Make sure you subscribe so that you'll be able to know when I post that video, because it's coming really soon. So here is the natural hair care product from my line, Regal Roots Natural Hair Care. So yes, the very first product that I came out with is a natural hair growth oil, and it helps to nourish your scalp from it being flaky and dry. It also keeps it very healthy, guys. It also keeps it very moisturized, because you know you need that moisture, and most of all, it's going to help your hair to grow nice and long. I can't wait to use my own product. You know you have to be excited about your own stuff. That's how you know it works, okay? If the owner doesn't use their own stuff, pay attention to that. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited to use my own stuff. Like, but yes, if you guys want to purchase this, I should have the website, the link to the website down below, and I also have my Instagram down below, so you guys can check me out on Instagram where it all happens. Okay, so enough of that. I know you guys want to see me actually apply this, and that's what I'm about to do. So what you want to do? So what you want to do is, of course, just take the product, and you want to apply it directly to your scalp. So directly to your scalp, and what you want to do is massage it in. And you want to apply this at least 4 to 5 times a week. And when you use it, make sure you do before and after pictures so that you can actually keep track of your hair growth. And part your hair into different sections, and just keep applying the oil directly to your scalp, and then massage it in. It's just that simple. And you can also use this oil when you're doing hot oil treatment. So when you just want to put it in your scalp, massage it in your scalp. And the reason why it's so important to massage your scalp is because it helps with circulation of your blood flow, and it also increases hair growth. See, you just want to put it in there, massage it in there. And you want to massage your scalp for at least, you can say, 2 to 3 minutes. And this is a very light oil, so it won't have your hair feeling weighed down. See, still has its flow. Let's do this side. Once again, you just part in it. Then you want to apply it directly to your scalp. And oil will naturally run down your hair shaft, so don't be surprised if your hair does get oily. But once again, like I said, this is not a heavy oil, so you will be alright. See? Just rub it in. And for my ladies who have thin edges, you want to make sure you put this directly on your edges as well. Like so. Like I said, you can apply it right to your edges, and these babies will grow big. And yes, once again, massaging your hair increases the blood flow, which will also help to assist with hair growth. And you want to massage your scalp every time you apply this. And you can apply this oil as much as you want, so you can either do 2 times a day or at least 5 times out the week. especially for those winter months when your scalp gets really dry. It's good to apply it a lot, and you can also just apply it to the ends of your hair.
And it gives your hair a nice little shine to it. And you can go out for the day or just wrap your hair overnight and it should be good. It smells so amazing.
So yeah guys, that's how you apply it, and these are called raindrops, and you can get them with Regal Roots Natural Hair Care. The Instagram is Regal Roots NHC, so go follow me on Instagram. I'll also leave it down below, and make sure you guys check this out and leave a review. And also don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to let you all see what it's like to grow your Regal Roots. Okay, with these products, I will be using this product and this product alone to grow my hair back. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you guys will be able to see when I upload another video. I will be doing lymph checks, my natural hair care regimen, and just my routine. So make sure you guys subscribe so that you can see all the good stuff. And any other videos that you guys want me to post, just comment them down below. Yeah guys, so make sure you follow me on Instagram at Regal Roots NHC so that you guys can see what the hype is about this product, and also to just follow me and keep up with the things that I'm doing when it comes to my natural hair care business. So thanks guys, see you next time. Sis, I'm telling you, if you don't have this product in your closet when it's time to do your hair, you're missing out. I'm telling you, this is the secret. This is the secret ingredient to natural hair growth, to grow your hair out thick and full and healthy. Health over length is so important. I'm telling you, if you don't have this product, go get it. Click the link down below and get this product. I'm trying to tell you, it works miracles. It works wonders. Look at it. It's like liquid gold, isn't it? Literally liquid gold in the bottle, and you get to put it in your scalp.